I'm so happy that you're mine.
Yan. Apo niya!
If I made you feel
Eto punso niya, bakulit. Punso niya! Mas lalo pa sa wine, sa mga panalay. O yan. Ay, lumalandi, Eto yung kapitbahay namin. Yan ang kapitbahay na malakain. Ako ang ate nila.
you're always on my mind.
Dali ate?
Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died.
I wish.
Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied.
Eh, malipak yung ng towa. Barin mo kasi yan, kuya.
Yes.
Barin mo yung jacket, kuya.
Wag na.
Pinainitan? Ano ko nainitan ko kayo?
Little things as you have said.
Uy, ilapay mo na yung ano mo.
I just remember the time. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
Diba, huwag kayo mato sa dala? Gani, apat lang. Ayun. Wala na yung ano sa straight niya. Hindi, wala ka na doon. Wala eh. Doon na siguro.
You're always on my mind.
Oh, disco. Ano susunod din?
Pag hindi mo
Wala. Red, nilagay mo na yun, Red. Nilagay mo na
Ganito,
yun
Ellen.
like a virgin.
Maybe I'll treat you well as good as you. Maybe I'll love you well as old as I could. Maybe I'll hold you all those long.
Asan na? Iba,
And I guess I never told you
Okay.
I am so happy.
Mahirap lang kasi ako yung maliit. Mahirap lang kasi.
Maybe I'll.
Mahirap lang kasi ako yung maliit.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Come today, girl.
Oh, isa pang speech yan.
Kang kinayo.
Suganay.
Sugar